All right, for this question, it says we have a normal distribution. Okay, that allows us to use this normal curve calculator with a mean of 201.3 and a standard deviation of 22.7. It says find P61, which is the score separating the bottom 61% from the top 39. So in other words, this is what it wants. Probability that X is greater than C such that, or that it's equal to 61. Okay, so I have to find this value right there, rounded to 3 decimal places. You can ignore this information here about z-scores. That's if you wanted to use a different method to actually do this. But for us in class, we're using the technology, so you don't need to worry about this part right here. Okay, so let's take a look then over here at the normal calculator. So again, every time we have a setup like this where they give us the area, so remember this is the area. Whoops, I got my sign backwards here. I want 61% to be the bottom. Do you see that? So I got to change this to less than. All right, so if that's less than, let's go ahead and do this. I got to change this over here to this bullet. So I want value from an area. Here's my area, 0.61. The mean from the question is 201.3. The standard deviation is 22.7. And I want below. So let's take a look at the picture. The picture goes just a smidge past halfway, which would be 50%, and I'm up to 61%. And remember what it's asking. What is the score separating the bottom 61%, that's this side, from the top 39%? This would be the 39% here. And the score I want is going to be somewhere right in there. And according to this, they want it to 1 decimal place. It'll be 207.6. So this will be 207.6. All right, sorry about the error there at the beginning. I had that sign the wrong way, so hopefully you watched the rest of the video and didn't pause at the beginning. All right, we're almost done with this homework.